In this tutorial, I'll show you how to remove underlines from links in Google Sheets so your spreadsheet looks cleaner and more professional. Start by making sure your links are already added to your sheet. This method works after the hyperlink is in place. Next, click on the cell that contains the link you want to edit. Double check that you've selected the right cell, especially if you have multiple links. Now press Ctrl and U on your keyboard or Command and U if you're using a Mac. This removes the underline formatting while keeping the link fully clickable. If you want to remove underlines from multiple links at once, simply select a range of cells and use the same shortcut. All selected links will update instantly. This works because formatting like underline is separate from the hyperlink itself. So even after removing the underline, the link still works normally when clicked. If you ever want the underline back, just press the same shortcut again to toggle it on. That's it. You now have a quick way to clean up your links and make your spreadsheet look more polished without affecting functionality.